For example, we have interstate border disputes among the northeastern states, including my state, which we would like to raise with your permission for settlement, amicable settlement, not for conflicts or controversies. And also, we have the perennial problem of, or we can say that sudden problems posed by the influx of refugees from Myanmar, which is affecting our states, mainly Mizoram. We would also like to raise this with your permission. And also, at the same time, as always, we have been supporting the government, so we will continue to support the government in all issues and in all the and support all the bills that are to be introduced. And at the same time, we would also like to be given more time to speak, even though we belong to smaller parties. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.